As we know, water is a poor conductor of heat. So, transfer of heat in water by conduction is not possible. Then, how the heat transfer takes place in water? In liquids and gases, heat transfer takes place by the process of convection. What is convection? The process of transfer of heat in a liquid or a gas by the actual movement of the particles of the liquid or gas is called convection. In liquids and gases, heat is transferred by convection because their molecules are quite free to move. The molecules of solids are closely packed and their movement is not possible. So, convection does not take place in solids. Let's get to know convection of heat in liquid through an activity. Take a round bottom flask filled with water. Place it on tripod stand. Then drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate to the bottom of flask. Now heat the water by using a burner. When the water at the bottom of the flask gets heated, it expands and becomes lighter. So, hot water rises upwards and carries heat to the surface. Observe, the colored water rise from the bottom of the flask up to the surface of water and then moves downwards near the wall of the flask. This is called convection of heat in liquid. Now, let's get to know convection of heat in air. If you keep your hand on the flame, you will feel heated because hot air near the flame rises up due to convection. But if you keep your hand sideways, there is no convection. So, you do not feel heated. So, we feel that the air above the heat source gets heated and rises up. The empty spaces filled by the cooler air from sideways. Let's see more example of heat transfer by convection. Take a closed rectangular box with glass fitted to its one side. Make 2 holes at the top of the rectangular box. Fit 2 glass tubes at the top to form chimneys, chimney A and chimney B. Place the candle below chimney B. Lit the candle. Hold the smoldering piece of paper over chimney A and observe the movement of the smoke. You will observe smoke entering the box through chimney A and gets heated up by the candle and comes out of the chimney B. This is because the air above the candle gets heated and expands and is now less dense than the surrounding air. It rises out of the chimney. In doing so, the cooler surrounding air, being denser, sinks through the other chimney to replace the less denser air. The movements of the hot and cold air set up a convection current. The smoke produced by a piece of smoldering paper held above the cooler chimney makes the convection visible.